Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a combo eyeshadow look using Divine Rose 1 and Divine Rose 2. These gorgeous, beautiful palettes. When I first reviewed Divine Rose 2 some time ago, I had mentioned, hey, we're going to do some combo looks using Divine Rose 1 and 2, so that video is long overdue. If you notice on the thumbnail, this is clearly not the eyeshadow look that I had on from the thumbnail. The reason being is I filmed the combo look and how I put it together, and then I forgot to film an intro and an outro. So, but if you're curious about this look, I will also include a link above for you guys to hop on over and check it out. And what I have on right now is made up of mostly Suratt makeup. So if you're interested, go check it out. I will see you guys after the tutorial. We're taking Divine Dusk and adding that to the outer corners of the eyes. And from Divine Rose 1, we're taking VR Rose Venus and applying that very generously onto the center of the lid to the inner corners. Going back to Divine Rose 2, we're taking Naked Blush and we're adding that to the crease. And what I'm doing with Naked Blush 2 is I'm not just adding it to the crease, I'm actually bringing the color down here. Then we're taking Eleganza and applying that as a transition shade between Divine Dusk and VR Rose Venus. I'm just going very light-handed here. And I want to deepen the look just a little bit more without taking too much away from VR Rose Venus. So I'm actually going to use Rose Dusk from Divine Rose 1. And we're going in pretty precisely here along the upper lash line. Taking a fluffy blending brush, we're going to spread out that Naked Blush a little bit more, and we're actually going to go into Divine Dusk to even out the color. I'm going to put on foundation, concealer, and we'll come back for the rest. Going back to Divine Rose 2, we're going to tight line using Extreme Burgundy. And we're taking Naked Blush and just adding a little bit more of that to the crease and then the outer corners. Very gently diffusing that outwards. For the brow bone and inner corner highlight, you can really use the Skin Show from either of the palettes. And I'm trying to decide between Divine Rose 1 or 2 which Skin Show color to use. It's really up to you. Skin Show Nude from Divine Rose 1. It's more of a silvery shade. And for brow bone highlight and inner corners, we're going to actually use Iridescent Pink 003. I love this shade. Let me swatch it for you. Look at that pink shift. just instant interest, just something really interesting. For blush, I'm really looking for something that is pink and soft, a shade that I could build on if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna risk going too heavy-handed that first time, that first application. So NARS's Overlust cheek blush really came to mind. We're gonna use the color Let It Burn. And I wanna continue with the summer vibe. So we're gonna take a big blush brush to apply and diffuse the color. I like that a lot. It's nice and soft. I've got a glow on my face, and we're gonna skip the highlight because I feel like everything that I want brightened is brightened enough, and I want to let the shimmer and shine on my lids to really be the spotlight here. So we're not actually going to use highlight today. We're going to apply some eyeliner onto the upper lash line, mascara, and then our look is complete. This is the finished look. I hope you found the tutorial helpful and that this would be a look you would like to try as well. I really find these palettes lots of fun, and I really should go back, play around, see what other looks I can create. So what I think I'll do very soon here is create another combo look using Divine Rose 2 and Ritualistic Rose. Ritualistic Rose is a Pat McGrath quad. While it's not part of the Divine Rose collection of palettes or lip colors and whatnot, it does have Divine Rose vibes to it. So I think that would be fun to do, fun to explore. I will see you guys very soon here. Take care until the next time. Bye.